If your plumber says you need a sewer line replacement, you might picture excavators tearing up your yard, your garden destroyed, your driveway broken up, a week of chaos. But here's what most of us don't know. There's a better method for this called trenchless or no-dig technology. We can replace your entire sewer line with one or two small access points. That's it. There's a proven method called pipe bursting. We pull new pipe through while breaking apart the old one. Complete replacement through two tiny holes. Now here's the cost truth. Traditional excavation adds $5,000 to $10,000 in landscape restoration, $3,000 to $10,000 for driveway repairs, plus weeks of disruption. Trenchless usually costs less overall. Done in 1 to 3 days. Your yard stays as is, your driveway untouched, your trees and shrubs are safe. Have you noticed any of these warning signs? Multiple slow drains, gurgling sounds from toilets, sewage odors, or extra green patches in your lawn? If you're experiencing any of these, call us for a free consultation. With our sewer camera, we'll show you exactly what's happening in your pipes. No pressure, just honest answers. Don't let outdated repair methods destroy your property. Modern trenchless technology protects your investment while solving the problem. Call Pioneer Plumbing and Heating today or visit our website to schedule your free inspection. 604-872-4946 or visit www.pioneerplumbing.com.